So I I didn't like what I was seeing when Bitcoin was going down. I'm sure anyone that invests in the stock market can relate to this. So I don't like it when the stocks go down either. But I like it when they go up, as long as I want to sell. Would you recommend that I start putting more significant amounts of money into Bitcoin? And when I say significant, I mean, I'm looking at how can I invest $5,000 a year into Bitcoin, and should I do so?
So I do not personally invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. Why?
Okay.
I get that question all the time. I understand this stuff. Now I understand this stuff. Frankly, I'm fascinated by this stuff. I find it personally interesting, but I don't invest in it. Why? Because I can't value it. Because it doesn't produce cash flows. So for me to value something, it has to produce cash flows. So for this reason, I don't invest in Bitcoin for the same reason I don't invest in gold and silver, because I can't value them.
Okay.
What does that mean? Bitcoin could be worth $1 million. It could be worth $1 million, or $1. It could be worth $1 million. I don't know.
Right.
So am I buying, let's say, and again, I don't know what the price is today, 40,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. Is that a good price?
Right.
I don't know.
Okay.
Is it overvalued? Is it undervalued? I don't know. And if I can't tell those things, I personally don't invest in them. However, what I do say to people is, if you want to invest in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, these kind of things, make sure you invest only what you are 100% comfortable, or only what you are comfortable losing 100% of.
Okay.
Meaning if you invest $1,000 into it, you're not going to get kicked out of your house.
Right.
Because you lost that investment.
Okay.
Whether that's $1,000, whether that's $50,000, whatever it is. I view these, as of right now, as more of a speculation, which is fine if you want to speculate, but you need to be comfortable with that risk of losing potentially all of your money. Again, the reason it's more of a speculation to me than an investment is because Bitcoin, it goes up and down, not based off of real world fundamentals like companies do, like stocks do, like commercial real estate, like that stuff do. And yes, those can be emotional, which is happening right now in the stock market, I know.
Sure.
But in general, over the long term, stuff like that goes up and down based on the fundamentals of the underlying asset, the profits, cash flows going up or down. With Bitcoin, you can't track that. So everything is based off emotion and speculation. And what happened in the news today with Bitcoin, is Bitcoin being banned in another country? Is it being used as a currency? I think was it El Salvador is accepting Bitcoin. It's all based on emotion. It's not based on the underlying fundamentals. For the most part, there are fundamentals, but they're kind of vague. So that's why I don't invest in Bitcoin personally.